Hey guys, Jake 1973. I'm gonna try to get an open of this little Abus EC7530 dimple lock. So this is actually the first dimple lock I've picked. Not my first time picking this one, but first one in general. Here, I think this is the wrench I need. Oh yeah, expert level. Can't even get a wrench in. There I go. Just using a black flag straight that I'm brought down in size a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna start in the front. Put a binder in the rear. Hardest part of picking this so far has been getting the flag on the pins and keeping it there. It's totally different from the pin tumblers I'm used to. I'll get there. Overset. Start over. Lost something. Probably a 10-second pick for some of you guys, but I'm getting there. There, got a false set and a stuck wrench, or pick rather. Here it is. Caught behind the security pin. Nope. Should have stayed behind it. Basically bitch picking. There it is. One along the way, I just got to basically nudge. Get in there. Flag doesn't quite fit in the wording right. There we go. There we go. Open. Not my quickest opening, but I'm going to take it. Oh yeah, I posted a video last night, me cutting an Abus 55, I believe, yeah, 5550 open with a plasma cutter. Had some requests to see what was left over. It was a quickly shot video, and you know, guy wasn't really up on what I wanted to have shown, but he did a decent job. I was going to stop at the shackle, but that literally took a fraction of a second. I mean, so I went ahead and cut the lock in half.